Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Jazz headlight. First, gather your essential tools for the job. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. It's also crucial to have the correct H4 replacement bulb, usually a 12-volt, 65-watt type, for your specific Honda Jazz model. Remember, it's best practice to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time to ensure balanced illumination and similar lifespans. Now, let's get to accessing the headlight. Begin by opening your car's hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly within the engine bay. Depending on your Honda Jazz model, you might find that space is a bit tight. In some cases, you may need to partially loosen a few screws on the front bumper to create enough clearance. Once you have access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb housing by pressing its release tab and gently pulling it off. With the electrical connector removed, the next step is to replace the bulb itself. You'll see a rubber dust cap covering the bulb housing. Gently pull this cap upwards to remove it. Beneath the cap, locate the metal spring clip that holds the old bulb in position. Press down and unclip it to release the bulb. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new H4 bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can significantly shorten its life. To reassemble, carefully insert the new H4 bulb, making sure its 3 tabs align perfectly with the slots in the headlight housing. Once seated, re-engage the metal spring clip to secure the bulb firmly. Replace the rubber dust cap to protect the bulb from moisture and dirt. Finally, reconnect the electrical plug. Turn on your headlights to test the new bulbs, checking both low and high beams. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. If everything works, you can re-secure any bumper screws you loosened. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.